Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. For today's video, I have the part 2 of the clean and declutter with me that I promised you guys. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video and get started.
Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. And here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. I know I'm acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh.
So some hours later, we have a clean floor, except for my phone case that I need to pick up. We have a clean area over here. I mean, I still need to do like a regular clean with me, like me just wiping things down and such, but this is what it looks like. So everything's pretty clean, as you guys can see. I just need to put some stuff away, but like I said, that's like a regular clean with me. So I really do hope that you guys like this video. It was a lot longer. I literally started at 3 o'clock and it's now 7:30. So I've been at this for a really long time. But everything's good. Now I just have to do a regular wipe down of things, but I won't be doing that till this weekend. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for being here with me, you guys. Thank you for bringing your amazingness here to my channel, and I really do hope that I get to see you again. If you liked this video, please give it a thumb up. If you want to keep watching more videos by me, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you and your amazingness, seriously. Join the beautiful family we have going here. So I really hope that you are here for my next video. Bye, beautiful person.
Maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try.